Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the code forces problem A, that is rectangle cutting. In this problem, Bob has a rectangle of size A cross B, and he tries to cut this rectangle into two rectangles with integer sides by making a cut parallel to one of the sides of the original rectangle. Okay. So then Bob tries to form some other rectangle from the two resulting rectangles. He can rotate and move these two tangles as he wishes. Okay. So note that if two rectangles are differ only by 90-degree rotation, they are considered the same. So for example, 4, 6 and 6, 4, they are the same. Thus, from 2 cross 6 rectangle, another rectangle can be formed because it can be cut into two pieces, 2 cross 3 rectangles. Then these two rectangles can be used to form 4 cross 3 rectangle, right? Like we can rotate and then stack, which is a difference from 4 cross 3. Okay. So, however, from 2 cross 1 rectangle, another rectangle cannot be formed because it can only be cut into two rectangles of 1 cross 1. And only 1 cross 2 and 2 cross are the rectangles possible, so which are the same. So, that's why. So, we need to determine if Bob can obtain some other rectangle or not. So, we need to return yes or no, that's it. So, let's see some case and then we will jump to the solution. So, 1 cross 1, 1 cross 1. And it will be integer division obviously, so we can't cut, right? So this is no straightforward no here. So let's forget this, and we have 2 cross 1, 2 cross 1. Okay, so we can have this side 2 and this side 1. So this will be 1 cross 1, this will be 1 cross 1. But can we do that? Like we can rotate and stack, it will be like 2 cross 1 can be 1 cross 2. That's it. We can't do anything else. So that is a problem, obviously, right? So we need to think about it, what we can do. So it's not possible here, first thing, and we need to think where it is possible. That is a good question. So let's say we have 2 cross 6, right? So 2 cross 6. So that means we can do like this. 6 will be here, right? And we have cut like this. And suppose if we rotate this, okay. So I have cut into 1 cross 6. So that will become like 1 cross 12 as well. And that is a different from this, right? So it is also a possible solution. And what can be the other possible solution? Right? We can cut into 2 cross 3. Like we can divide here. That is also possible. Like that can be 4 cross 3 as well by cutting 2 cross 3 rectangles. Right? So like I'll tell you what we can do. Like just try to like we need to balance out the area first, right? So 2 cross 6. That is 12 obviously. We need to find something that is not 2 cross 6 or 6 cross 2, but the multiple of two such numbers will be equal to this number. We need to find that. So it will be 4 cross 2 as well, 4 cross 3, that can make 12, right? That is the case. So what we can do, what we can think. First is the like very simple case. Suppose if these numbers a comma b, they both are even, they both are even. So let it be 2 cross 2. They both are even. Like we can divide this by half, sorry, by 2, that will be 1, and multiply this by 2, that will be 4. And that is the difference, right? This one is the difference from this. So we can have the answer yes here. That is so simple. Like if they both are even, then we can do it obviously. That is obvious thing. What if, like, if one is even or one is odd, then what we need to? Let's suppose we have an example in this case 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. So what we can do? This is an even number. We can try to divide this. Obviously, we can't divide this. We can divide this only. So we have 1 here and we have multiplied this. So it will be 6. And 6 cross 1 is the difference from 3 cross 2. That means answer will be yes. That is very straightforward, right? And we have some counter example to say no. Can we? Let's say. Okay, so now we have 6 cross 3. Right. This is an interesting example. So let's see. Can we divide this? Yes. We can divide because it is even. So we have 3 here and multiply this 6. But just check. Like we can't say this is a different because we can rotate it by 90 degree also. So if we rotate, it will become 6 comma 3 and it is same, right? If it is same, then obviously answer will be no. Because we can't create a separate rectangle and we need to do that. Hence answer will be no. Hope you understood the concept. So let's jump to the code for understanding. Okay. Just see. We have declared int x comma y, taken the input, copied to f, a and b. That's it. So we'll perform every operation to a to b and then just we compare. If both are even, that means answer will be yes. Obviously, we can return it. If both are odd, then it's not possible. Answer will be no here. Suppose if A is even, then what we can do? We can do this. Divide by 2, B multiply by 2, then we'll check. If A is equal to Y, B is equal to Y. That means checking the 90-degree rotation. If that is the case, then our answer will be no. That's it. And if B is even, we can divide B by 2, multiply A by 2, sorry, A by 2, then we'll check again. If it is no, obviously answer will be no. And after, like, if everything is working fine, then we can directly return yes. We have not found any no. That means we can. Yeah. So we have yes answer, yes. Hope you understood this solution. Like this video, subscribe the channel. Thank you and keep coding.